I gave time sa TikTok kanina to talk to young kids, to talk to those people na na nagsasabi na okay lang daw na nasa ICC si PRRD. And their reason was, sabi niya ganun, 43 yung bangkay, pero kasi 30,000 naman talaga yan. At saka the list is not exhaustive, ganyan-ganyan. At saka sinasabi nila, mako-confirm naman sa ICC yung 30,000. So sasabihin naman daw yan later on kung confirm ang 30,000 o hindi. Which is so wrong. And anyone who's telling you, anyone who understands how the justice system works, hindi po yan magko-confirm ng hallucination nyo o hindi. If you say that 30,000 is killed by the program, by the policy of PRRD, the first thing that you need to do is to provide us the body. Where is the dead body of the 30,000 individuals? And how can that be proven? Ayun, may mga kamag-anak yung 30,000 na yun, ha? May mga pamilya yan, ha? Ba't walang nagmo-move forward na mag-amount ito 30,000 dead body? Diba? Hindi, kahit hindi nyo ipakita sa amin mismo yung bangkay, kahit hindi nyo ipakita sa amin, you still have to prove to us that the 30,000 is not just your imagination. You have to prove to us that there is corpus delicti, that the crime really happened. The 30,000 is just your imagination.
Ang maano ko lang yan kasi ganito. Hindi ipuprove sa ICC na 30,000 na namatay kasi hindi naman yun ang nakalagay sa warrant of arrest.